Nearly halfway through his testimony in last month's civil trial, Donald Trump pulled a crumpled note from his jacket. "I would love to read this if I had the opportunity, Your Honor. Am I allowed to do that?" Trump asked Judge and left the folded note in air. "No, not right now." Judge Arthur Engoron responded to Trump's apparent anger. The memo, which Trump was not allowed to read at the time about the reasons for disclaimers his financial statements, bolstered Trump's defense in a case which he and his sons are accused of doing lenders and enriching themselves with about $375 million. After 4 weeks of defense testimony, Donald Trump's lawyers are set to rest their case on Tuesday after calling 19 witnesses, including experts Trump paid at least $2.5 million in total. The former president faces an uphill battle after Judge Engoron found Trump liable for using false pretenses to conduct business in a pretrial partial summary judgment ruling. Eduardo Muñoz Alvarez AP. But former president has adopted a more optimistic tone in recent weeks. He praised testimony of defense's accounting expert and declared his firm did nothing wrong on Sunday when he announced he no longer planned to testify in his own defense next day. Here are the 3 main arguments the Trump team offers in its defense: Trump's worthless matter. Trump's lawyers have repeatedly praised a section of his financial statements that Trump calls junk material. He says very strongly, "Do your own due diligence. Do your own thing. Do your own study. Do not take anything in this statement at face value." Trump testified in the state's trial last month. Trump's lawyers used this disclaimer to protect Trump from any allegations of wrongdoing, because Trump had warned his lenders that the statements might be false. This is an argument supported by the testimony of defense experts. Eli Bartov, the defense's accounting expert, testified about Trump's disclaimer. "I have never seen anything clearer than this. Even my 9-year-old granddaughter Emma understands this language." Another expert, Jason Flemons, said Trump announced that 95% of his financial statements deviated from generally accepted accounting principles. But Engoron generally ignored Trump's disclaimer. As he noted in his partial summary judgment, defendants' reliance on these worthless disclaimers is worthless. The clause does not use the words worthless, useless, ignore, disregard, words like that. Engoron wrote. While Engoron has repeatedly said he stands by his decision, he signaled some flexibility after Bartov strongly defended Trump's use of disclaimers. "I am pretty liberal about reconsidering my ideas," Engoron said. Trump's lawyers argued that state attorneys failed to prove their allegations that the former president was involved in a conspiracy to inflate his net worth. There is no evidence in the settlement record that provides a basis for supporting the conspiracy allegations. Trump a torn